Hello, what's poppin', what's good? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, you might as well just click that subscribe button down below. So today I'm just showing y'all how I achieve a 2-strand twist out on my type 4 hair. As y'all can see, my hair is extremely thick. It is washed and deep conditioned. So I'm just taking my rat tail comb and parting off a small section of hair in the back of my head. I do work from back to front, and I'm just going to take the rest of my hair and put it up in a hair tie just to keep it out of the way while I'm twisting. As you can see, I do my twist about medium size, so here I'm just parting off a section of hair from my first twist, and I'm going to take the rest of the hair from that section and twist it off just to keep it out of the way. Now to wet my hair, I'm taking my spray bottle filled with warm water and I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit. I don't like it drenched, just enough for me to work the product through my hair and make it easier to detangle. So I finger detangle first just to get some of the tangles out of the way before I go in with my comb. Now I'm taking my absolute favorite product, which is my curl enhancing smoothie. Y'all do not come for me. I know a lot of people don't like this product, but I really love it. It has been there for me since I cut my hair forever ago. So I'm just taking a little bit of that product and I'm working it through my hair, finger combing as well just to get rid of some tangles. And I'm just going to make sure to coat every strand, especially focusing on my ends since they are colored and they tend to get a bit dry. To further detangle, I'm just going to be taking my fine tooth comb using the finer side of the comb, and I'm just going to detangle some more just to make sure my hair is as smooth as possible to get ready for my twist. Now to the main part of the twist out, it's called a twist out, so anyways, I'm just taking that section of hair and separating it into 2 even pieces, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends of my hair. Before I get all the way to the ends of my hair, I like to take my fine tooth comb and detangle it just to make sure my twist is smooth all the way through. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the rest of my sections of hair before I twist, which is spray with water, finger detangle, add my curl enhancing smoothie, detangle with my fine tooth comb, and then 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends of my hair. Also, since I like a middle part, when I get to the crown of my head, I use my fine tooth comb to part my hair down the middle as straight as I can. Since you won't be able to see the part, you don't have to make it extremely straight, and you can also do a side part as well. I just prefer the middle. So I'm just showing y'all one more time what I do to each section because 3rd time's a charm, right? So I'm just going to take my spray bottle filled with water and spray that section of hair, finger detangle, add my curl enhancing smoothie, detangle with my fine tooth comb, and then twist that section up. Y'all peep me trying to show off my curlers right here, right? Because they weren't popping on camera, but I promised they were popping in the mirror, so just excuse that part. They were there. They were there. Okay, so I finished the twist and this is what they look like. I did them kind of medium size just because I want a lot of definition. So the more definition I want, the more twists I put in my head. The white stuff will dry overnight and my hair will absorb all the products, so I will be back in the morning to show y'all the takedown. So this is the next morning. My twists are completely dry. I just slept with a satin bonnet on my head. So here I'm just taking some oil and rubbing it throughout my fingers just to help with frizz during the takedown. Okay, on to separating, which I feel like is the most important part. I start at the root of the twist and I just pull it apart from the root. I don't like to start at the ends and unravel the twist like that because you're manipulating the twist too much and it causes a lot of frizz. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized, super defined, and it's very shiny. This hairstyle lasts me about a week. To further separate my hair, I take each separate piece from the 2-strand twist and I pull from the root, but I do not completely separate the ends. I keep the ends intact, and this basically gives me the fuller, more chunky look with my hair. This is what I like. If you'd like to take it and separate your ends all the way, you can, but I feel like that causes a lot of frizz in my hair and my hair doesn't last as long. On to giving my hair some volume, some body, because the bigger the better, right? So I'm just going in with my pick and I'm picking my roots out. Basically, I'm just going to keep playing in my hair and separating my twists until I achieve the desired look I'm going for. So this is the final look. I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. I hope that y'all take something from this video, and I hope that your next twist out comes out as bomb as mine came out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.